Hey, happy Sunday everybody. It's the house and welcome. We're going to go out on another search today. Right now it's snowing just ever so lightly, and we're supposed to get about 5 to 8 inches of snow. So we're going to get out there in a few seconds and start digging. All right, well, we're getting into it. Snowing harder, and getting into this field. Let's see what we can come up with here today before we get dumped on by this big snow that's just starting in on us. This is crazy. We lucked out all year until about now. We haven't had much snow. So let's, we're going to start cooking and kind of head up this area here. So we're going to get rolling. Be back at the next hole. Man, I got a really nice signal here. Oh boy, I hope this is a good one. It says a quarter, plus 84. Probably not though. Probably not, because it's not that deep. Probably gonna be a cat. All right, well, certainly it doesn't look like a quarter. This is looks like a piece of, I don't know what it's like, a piece of pipe or something, like a T in it, and it's a plug down here. Hard to say, but anyway, it's not a quarter. I know that much. Piece of pipe, the pipe fitting. All right, on to the next one. What we got?
$17.
Huh, let's dig it. Yeah, we'll do it live, okay? How far down did it say?
Oh, I have to look. Sorry. So muddy.
Yeah, it's easy to dig.
Easy to dig, but
It gets really muddy, it falls apart, and you can't even dig a decent plug out of it. Right there.
big.
Yeah, big item. You gotta go in from that side under. It's like kind of cylindrical, or wow, look at that, man. Holy mackerel.
Crap.
Grab it. Woohoo!
There you go.
Yeah, that looks like
It's like a
a piece off a harrow or something. Cool. All right. Oh well.
It's a mini ski.
That's all it is. Something off of a piece of farm machinery. It looks like a piece off of a harrow or a rake. So we're going to set this over here for now, and we'll get it on the way back down. All right, on to the next one. Okay, man, this one was tough and deep, but we were persistent. We barely caught this signal, but the Mine Lab grabbed it, and I confirmed it with the MXT All Pro, and we did find it. It's down deep, but it's right there. Hang on, hang on. You can kind of see it right here. Yeah, what is it? It's old, I know that much.
Not sure. That's it. Yeah.
Wow, that was it's an odd shape too.
Yeah, I was hoping that it was an edge to a
Let me
coin.
See. Yeah, I don't. What the heck is it?
I don't know. It isn't to a proto bell, is it?
No. It's kind of bent up a little bit. Huh. I don't know what that is. Well, we got something else?
No, I'm just making sure. Yeah, I just want to make sure there was
All right,
something
well,
else.
that's it for that. We're going to close this one up and keep moving. Oh, how I can't wait until springtime. Oh, this is insane. It's snowing pretty hard, as you can probably see. Very hard to see the monitor on my detector. Digging a lot of holes for trash. It's real muddy. It's horrible. Horrible. So we're still cooking through here. I just did find what else, of course, but a button. Just a regular flat button, it looks like. You can tell how muddy it is. Shanks on it. I'll take it. This, I'm telling you, this is like field of buttons. So, okay, I'm going to put this away and keep going. I'm going to call it quits soon. See you in a bit. Okay, back again. Not too far from my last target here. And I got myself another button. Woohoo! There you go. Geez, they're growing out here. So muddy. Can't even keep these things clean. I got mud all over myself. I don't know if you can see the shank, but the shank's there. And it's just a regular flat button. Good size. Almost about the size of a quarter. Alright, we'll take it. On to the next one. Reporting live from Alaska. We got a hit here. I don't think it's anything good, but we're gonna take a look at it anyway. It's real mushy right here. Finding a lot of iron, bolts and stuff like that. Most everything we find is pretty old, but occasionally you find the modern stuff too. Yeah, it's in that pile. You pulled it out already. Drum roll, please. Let's see what it is. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, there we go. Right there. Yeah. Aha! What is it?
Looks
That's
like
not a piece of wire. That looks like a drawer pull.
it looks like
or
a
something.
draw pull.
Is it?
It looks like the other one that you got.
Yeah, a
from
while
here.
back I got one.
It's just missing the other side. Looks
Yeah.
exactly like it.
Okay. So it looks like a drawer pull.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
definitely. It's definitely
It's a
a piece
neat one.
of the drawer pull.
Yep.
Absolutely. All right. Cool. All right, let's find the other bunch of them too. Okay, let's keep going. All right. Well, Sim just got something here. And
It looks like it's smooth on
it
one
looks
side.
like a coin, but it's
the
probably a
others-
button.
But I'm afraid
That
to
will peel
almost,
off with your
Really?
fingernail. Yeah, just, there you go.
I don't want to in case it's
Nah,
two-sided button.
it's fine, it's fine. It's
Okay.
separating. It's,
All right.
it's just stuff that's caked on.
All right.
It looks like a coin to me. I think it's a coin.
Yeah, it is a coin.
You see, you make anything out on it?
Now let me put it in the snow.
Okay, hang on one second. If I get this glove off here, I can help you. Hang on a second. All right, let me see this thing.
Okay.
See if I can make out anything on it. Nothing there that I can see anyway. Well, I definitely see some stars.
Right here.
Sorry about that. I lost my battery there. I just went dead. Luckily, I got an extra battery with me. Thank goodness.
I see something in the middle on there, some writing.
Yeah, you know what? It's... Oh, man. I see. It's definitely like a U.S. coin. I'm thinking it might be a... Is that the Indian? This could be an Indian head. It's just too hard to tell. It's pretty thin though. It's definitely not a fatty. It's not a fatty Indian head. I see some writing in the center. I just can't make it out. All right, we'll see when we get home. Nice. It's a coin now. Absolutely a coin. Cool.
Yahoo!
Awesome find.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah, you're doing the coin dance. I know. All right. We're gonna keep going. We're starting to get into some good territory here. I think we just found 2 buttons and a coin, so that'll keep us out here a little longer in this crap.
Gotta get it before the 8 inches come.
Yeah, really. And I think we'll probably still be out here in that kind of snow, right? I don't think so. All right. Well, we're gonna keep going. See you in a bit. See you in the next hole. Okay. Just got another signal. Wasn't all that great, but you know what? I dug it anyway. And it's hard to see, but it appears to be an Indian head penny. And that's just like the one that Sin just found a few minutes ago, not too far from here. So I can't really make it out in this weather and all the mud and crud. But we'll take a better look at him when we get home. But man, we're really we're doing good. Things cranked up. So we're gonna keep going. We're not done yet. Okay, everybody, we're back sooner than expected. The snow was just getting to be too much, and we called it quits. We were out there for quite a while just getting beat up by the snow and the mud. But we did okay. We got a lot of scraps here, as you can see. We got a T-pipe here, just a piece of plumbing or something. Some scrap pieces of iron, bolts, big old nut. This is a component, I think, off the top of a coil from a tractor maybe. Piece of lead. Another piece of metal or iron that is off of maybe a farm machinery or tool or something. Same with this big piece of metal. This, I don't know what this is, but it's scrap. This is scrap. Actually, this is actually a part of a small spoon or something. It's I can see the little bit of a design in it. So that's small piece. This is just a piece off a shotgun shell, the head stamp, an old one. Some kind of iron cap. And down here, this is scrap. Got an old drawer pull here. That's kind of cool. I found a couple of these. This here, I believe, looks like the top of maybe some type of shaker. You can see all the little holes in it. Other than that, I don't know what it would be. This is a small musket ball. I think this is the smallest that they actually make. I don't think they get any smaller than that. These 2 pieces here, I believe, are pieces to an old crodle bell. These 3, I'm not sure. They're scrap, but they're pieces from something. Can't make them out. The buttons, I like the buttons. This is it's got a texture or pattern on it. It's like a bumpy checkerboard type pattern. You can see I still have to clean this up a little bit, but nice button, good shape. This one's in really good shape, an old flat button, shanks on it. It's not bent or anything. Very, very good shape. We got a ton of these things. Our last couple digs, we got I got this 1897 Indian head penny. It's in pretty good shape. The detail on it's really nice. For being in the ground 100 years plus, it's in nice shape. I really I like this one. This is probably one of the better ones I've dug up. So that's always cool. And then we also got a second one. And this one's kind of tough to make out. But this is also an Indian head penny. And I'm not sure about the year on this, but I think it's around 1901. This is pretty well beat. It's very much corroded and it's in bad shape. But it's okay, we'll take it. It's still a coin. So that's it. So anyway, have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.